Good morning, girls. Today we are going to see the 13th program. Create a simple flash file by importing sounds onto the stage. Library in Macromedia Flash. The first step, what you need to do is you need to go to the Google Chrome. There, you have to download. Um, you have to go for free audio track download for Flash. Just type this and download any file to your local disk, any file, any audio file for the local disk. So I have just typed free audio track download or free download sound image for Flash, anything, or free sound effects for Flash. Just see to that you download it for free. Okay, that you place it in any of the local disk, or you can find the soundtrack in the downloads. Once it is done, what you need to do next step is go to the new Flash document. There, no, you we will make the stage a little bit attractive. So instead of going and setting the background color, you just go to the file menu, import, click on the import menu item and go to import to stage. There, if we have any backgrounds, here I'll go for D colon images. Have a flower image, rose. Yes, rose one. I'm just importing that to a stage. Uh, if this error comes, you should not import that. So I'm going for the next image, import to stage. Here I'm going for rose 2 pen. Now this is open with the help of free transform tool. Just fit it to the stage, exactly to the stage. So I've made the rose image to my document. So I'm just going to give a sound effect because rose is this is not rose. This is actually dahlia. This this by seeing this we also can hear music. So what you need to do is this is the first layer. So I'm placing the rose in the first layer. Then go for insert layer. So you check whether which is the second layer. No, here this is the layer one. So I've kept rose, dahlia flower in the layer one, and I'm going to add the soundtrack in the layer two. So this is layer two. What you need to do is again, you go to file menu to insert the track. So file menu, import. Here you have to select import to library. So once you are selecting import to library, I have kept my audio file in downloads. So this is the first one which I am going to create. So once the audio file is actually imported to library, here the it will come like this. The icon sound image will come like this. Okay, one what you need to do is, now the sound and the images are placed. So first layer will be having the image. You just select 70 timeline property and give a right click, give insert keyframe where the rose is placed. Now what you need to do is, see, suppose if you don't find the library menu, to go fix the library menu you have to select windows. There you have to make a check mark in the library. So the library window will be displayed in the right side of your Flash document. So first layer should be your flower, any image what you place, and you set a timeline property for 70 or 75 according to your choice, and give a right click and give insert keyframe. Now in the second thing I'm going to place the track. So to place the track, you go to library, click on the sound, and just bring your sound um, to the stage. So just bring like this. Okay, once you're bringing, you just go to the same 70 frame 70 frame of your second layer, and just give insert keyframe. You can see the audio file, it is being placed in the second layer. So this is the image of the audio sound. So first layer will be having the image, second layer will be having the soundtrack. So once it is done, you just go to the control menu, and just if you want to go press play, you can see. Or okay, you also can go to test movie and just give. So by this you can incorporate image with the sound, girls. This is your 13th, this is your 13th exercise. Thank you, girls.